Hey everyone, and welcome to another video, and today we're taking a look at a product from UGreen. So this is a power bank that they sent out to me for review. This is their 20,000 milliamp hour power bank, and you can see some of the features here. It does have quite a powerful output, so you can hit up to 100 watt max. So this can basically charge any of your mobile devices right up to laptops. As you can see, it's all your support devices: laptops, tablets, mobile phones, camping lanterns, cameras, watch, headphones, and even the Nintendo Switch console as well. Here you can see some of the sort of output specs just there. What we'll do is we'll have a quick unboxing to take a look at what we're actually getting. Okay, so I'll put the power bank to a side. In the pack itself, you do get some user instructions, you get a help guide, and then that'll probably just have more information on the actual power bank itself. In terms of the accessory pack, we are getting, okay, that's quite nice. So you do actually get a carrying case to keep it protected. I have had power banks in the past where they don't come with any type of carrying pouch. They can become quite scuffed over time. You also get a USB-C to USB-C cable, and you do have some UGreen branding on it just there as well. And taking a look at the power bank itself, okay, so it is quite substantial. You can see just there you have your 20,000 milliamp hour power bank and 130 watt branding just there. That's a nice touch. So if you are putting this on a desk or something, you do have a couple of rubber strips just there. You have a load of information on the side. You have a little bit of a slogan: more than just power. And if we press it and turn it on, it actually has a pretty decent little screen on it. I'm quite impressed by that. So the screen itself is not the brightest. I'm just wondering whether there's any way of actually brightening that up, but that's the current percentage, and then I'm guessing all of these will light up depending on when you've actually got something plugged in and you're actually charging something. So let's bring in just a LED light and we'll plug this in and see what happens. So yeah, straight away you can see just there, so it tells you what the output is, and it tells you how much power it's actually using. So this is, because of the cable and everything like that, it's just a simple LED, and I think it's actually just fully charged just now. So taking a look at the top of the device, you can see you have a few different outputs. So input and output 1 is your 100 watt port, which is obviously USB-C, and that'll be your sort of PD charging as well. You have a normal USB-C output for number 2, and then you have a USB-A output for output 3. You do have some listings just here, so for total output, and you could probably make use of all of these at the same time as well. And the screen itself does have a few options depending on when you click this side button, whether you want a very basic one or whether you want the sort of overall power bank's current capacity of the power bank listed as well. So yeah, I'll do some testing with this and I'll update later in the video. Okay, so it's been about a week or two of me testing the actual power bank, and it's been pretty flawless for everything that I've put it through. So I have been using this with my MacBook Pro, and it's able to charge it between, I would say, 35 and 50 watts depending on what cable I'm using and what I'm doing with the MacBook at the time. Any sort of mobile devices, normal phones, tablets, headphones, those kind of things, it'll charge without any issues. When it comes to MacBooks, usually you get the not charging signal, whereas with this I've been able to get it fully charging and actually make use of it at the same time. Now obviously MacBooks don't suffer from performance loss depending on what you're using, battery or plugged in, but it does help having that there where I know that I can do intense editing sessions without it draining the battery to the point where I won't be able to output or complete a project in time. Overall, it's been really good, and the look, the feel of it and the design of it, it just gives it a very premium feel. I will, as always, have links in the description below. If you haven't already done so, please do subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future videos, and I'd really appreciate if you can also give this video a thumbs up. And until the next one, thanks very much for watching.